Okay, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 decomposes to produce water and oxygen according to the following balanced equation. Now, uyadecompose unakhuzana u-hydrogen peroxide nanguya uyahlukana ufoma uwater no-oxygen gas. Now, the activation energy for this reaction is 75 kilojoules, and the heat of reaction, which is delta H, is negative 196 kilojoules. Define the term activation energy. What is activation energy? It is the minimum energy needed to start a reaction, or it is the minimum energy for a reaction to take place. Usayichaza kanjalo i-activation energy. Now they say redraw the set of axes alongside in your answer book and then complete the potential energy diagram for this reaction. Indicate the value of the potential energy of the following on your y-axis: activated complex and the product. So bathi-ke indicator phela ama-value. Nawa yabanginikezile. I-heat iwu-negative 196, activation energy 75 kilojoules. My battery is running low. Bakunikezile lezi zinto lezi. Okwakho ukuthi uyiveze lapha kwi-potential energy diagram. So la benza umusa bayidrowa i-potential energy diagram but bangayiphelelisi. Ngifisa ukukutshena ukuthi-ke uma usubhala ngoJuni izobe ingekho yonke le, nokuthi cause of reaction kuzobe kungekho, nokuthi potential energy in kilojoules kuzobe kungekho lokho. Kodwa bangasho ukuthi idrowe. Maningi futhi amathuba ahlezi bengashongo ukuthi idrowe bazothi read. Fanele ukwazi ukuyi-draw for exothermic, fanele ukwazi ukuyi-draw for endothermic. Le graph le uma ufuna ukuphasa kodwa. Now, u-delta H laphaya, u-delta H u-negative. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi i-reaction yethu le esikhuluma ngayo ngenhla i-exothermic. Kusitshela ukuthi i-reaction yethu injani? I-exothermic. Why exothermic? Because more energy is released. More energy is released. So, bathi asiyiqedele le energy diagram. So, i-energy diagram yethu, potential energy diagram izobukeka kanje. Bese lapha kuma-y-axis bathi asivezeni lezi iy'namba lezi. Lo laphana nje uzoba u-196. Ukhumbule i-activation energy kusuka la uyofika lapha, that is an activation and sisuka ku-0. Masisuka ku-0 size siyofika laphaya kuzoba ubanganza kwethu. Activation energy kuzoba 75. So layer value activation energy 75. La we have negative 100 and 96. This is delta H. Delta H ukusuka lapha uyofika laphaya. And u-0. Khumbula phela uma uthola u-delta H uthi energy of product minus energy of reactant. So energy yama-product u-minus 196. energy yama-reactant u-0. Ingakho sigcine sino-196 kilojoules. Leyo abasinikeze yona laphaya kwi-statement. Okay, this is our potential energy diagram. So this was not necessary. Bekukukhumbuza nje kuphela. Okay, usunani? For completing this, usuno-3 marks wakho. For ukuthi uyi-complete kahle le graph. Now, on the graph drawn for question 7.1.2, use the broken lines to show the path of reaction when manganese dioxide is added. So, but use the broken lines. Sebeyakukhumbuza nje nanokuthi umanganese dioxide is a catalyst. Ngoba sebethi nje draw the broken lines. Kwesinye isikhathi bazothi redraw the graph when manganese dioxide is added. Wena ufanele wazi ukuthi uyi-catalyst lo. Then usuzokhombisa kuyona leya graph edwebile ukuthi uma u-add i-catalyst kwenzakalani. Khumbule, mas-add i-catalyst we are lowering the activation energy. So i-curve yethu izobukeka kanje. So basipha how many mark? 2 marks for ukwenza nje lokhu. Ukukhombisa ukuthi si-add-ile i-catalyst laphayana. Then sebethi use the collision theory to explain how manganese dioxide influences the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So usuthini-ke wena mangabe usu-explainer? Usukhuluma ngendaba ye-catalyst ngoba phela umanganese dioxide i-catalyst angithi kushuthi kufanele kubhale ukuthi how a catalyst affect the rate of reaction using collision theory. Sizosho ukuthi a catalyst provides an alternative pathway of lower activation energy. Xolele uma ngingabonakali. Bullet number 2, more molecules have sufficient kinetic energy. Then bullet number 3, you say more effective collisions per unit time. More effective collisions per unit time. So sibhala kanjalo-ke uma ngabe sichaza nge-catalyst ukuthi i-affect-a kanjani i-rate of reaction. 7.2, graph A and B below were obtained for volume of oxygen produced over time under different conditions. So njengoba sibuka le graph le, ngingayithanda ukuthi si-analyze before sizame ukuphendula ama-questions. So uma ubheka ngapha we are given the volume of gas. Kubalulekile lokho ukuthi ivolume yegesi le. Uma ukuthi besikhuluma ihambisana nale yashandisi le yale reaction le engaphezulu. Usuyazi wena ukuthi nansi igesi yiyo kuphela igesi laphaya. So makuthiwa the volume of gas is measured, should ba-match i-volume yani ka-oxygen ngoba nguye i-gas. Ngibona ngathi i-gas nginak ngiyawuchila phela omelele i-gas. And le graph le mawuyibuka eyama-product, eyama-product le graph le. Okusho ukuthi isivezela the formation of a gas. Kungenzeka ukuthi bashintshe ama-conditions, benze experiment 1 mhlambe basebenzisa ama-granules, benze experiment 2 mhlambe basebenzisa upowder, asazi ukuthi kwenzekaleni. So the volume of oxygen gas, or basho nokuthi oxygen, kwesinye isikhathi abasho ukuthi oxygen but the volume of a gas. Wena ngokwakho siyobuka ukuthi yiphi i-gas kwi-equation le enginikezwe yona. Okay, kusho ukuthi le graph isitshena kabanzi ngo-oxygen kuphela kuleya equation, kodwa uzozwa sebekubuza mhlambe nge-mass ka-hydrogen peroxide using the graph. Find the mass of hydrogen peroxide using the graph. Kodwa kwi-graph akukhulunywa ngo-hydrogen peroxide, kukhulunywa ngo-hydrogen. So, yonke into ozoyithola nge-graph eka-hydrogen. Uma usuyitholile i-information ka-hydrogen, usungasebenzisa maybe stoichiometry ukuthola i-information kabani? Ka-hydrogen peroxide. Now, on the graph, ugraph A uyasitshela nje ukuthi i-reaction isheshe yaphela. Thathe nje apho 60 seconds ukuthi i-reaction for graph A iphele. Kuthatha isikhathi eside ukuthi for graph B i-reaction iphele, kuthatha 120 seconds. Shuthi ugraph A was faster than ugraph bani? Graph B. Esinye isizathu esingasho ngaso singasho ukuthi ugraph A is more steeper than ubani? Ugraph B. Sisayi-analyzela nje, asikaphendula ama-questions abuzwayo. Sekuthiwa calculate the average rate of reaction in dm cube per second between T10 and T40 for graph A. So okwakho ukuze uthole ukuthi ngabe lezi pace lezi zibala kangaki. Uzobala-ke ispace ngasisodwa uthi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ziwu-10 iy'pace. Uzothatha loya 20 loya ubeke bese udivayida ngo-10 bese uyathola ukuthi ispace ngasisodwa siwubani. Shuthi ispace ngasisodwa siwu-2. Shuthi lesa space esincane ngasisodwa siwu-2. Sibala nga-2. Ngapha kuleli side elingapha uzothatha loya 10 ubeke bese ubala uze uzofika laphaya uhamba kawu-10 divide ngalo 10 ukuthi ngihambe kawu-10 ngize ngifike kuleya value yokuqala. So ispace ngasisodwa kuleli side elingapha kuma-y axis sibala nga-1. Now lokho kuzongisiza ngokuthini-ke? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Shuthi u-10 uma la 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space sesi-5 ngino-10 lapho. Bese ngiyanyuka ngiya ku-graph A. Ngiya ku-graph A ngize ngifike la. Bese ngihamba ngithi okay. Bese ngiyabala ukuthi space esingaka lesiya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, that is 16. 16 angithi la sibala ngo-1 la. Kuleli side laka-y ngapha sibhala ngo-2. Okay, sekunama-point awu-2. Phinde ngiye ku-T40. T40 ulula-ke ngapha nginayo ukuthi vele u-40 qondene. Ngapha ubani? Sengisuka ngiza ngapha. Kuzoba loya. Ayibo, T40 nakhu ngibheda. T40 for graph A, angithi? Not for graph B. So ngisaqhubeka laphaya. For graph A, not for graph B. Ngihamba ngize ngiyofika lapha ku-A, then ngihamba ngize ngithi that is 51, 52, 52. So this is T final, this is T initial, this is V final, this is V initial. Now, Batang calculated the average rate in dm³ per second. Ngenhlanhla-ke nalapha yanginikeza ama-dm³. If benginikezwe ama-cubic centimeter and bayifuna in dm³ per second, bengizoconverta lo from dm³ to decimeter cube, ngiconverte lo from dm³ to decimeter cube. Yilezo zinto ey'felisa abantu abanaka ukuthi igraph yethu siyinikezwe kumaphi ama-unit, i-rate yethu bayifuna kumaphi ama-unit. Njengoba ngikutshela la bebengasebenzisa ama-cubic centimeter kwi-graph kodwa i-rate bayifuna kuma-dm³. Shuthi leya value ubuzoyi-convert kuma-dm³, naleyo i-convert kuma-dm³. Kuyima uzo-calculate i-rate. So i-rate izothi change in volume over change in time. Why ngithi change in volume? Ngoba la ama-unit awe-volume sa-divide ngesikhathi. V final minus V initial, T final minus T initial, V final 52, V initial 16, T final 40, T initial 10. Then i-rate yethu 1,2 dm³ per second. Angi-understand ukuthi umuntu akawabhali kanjani ama-unit ebetsheniwe ukuthi i-answer yethu siyifuna in dm³ per second. Bakunikezile ama-unit kodwa umuntu akawabhali. Isimanga-ke leso. Our next question. But use the information in graph A to calculate the mass of hydrogen peroxide used in the reaction. Assume that all the hydrogen peroxide decomposed. Use 24 cubic meters per mole as a molar volume of oxygen. So, nansi into kade ngisho. Igraph le enginikeziwe eka-oxygen. Kodwa bathi angisebenzise igraph ukucalculate i-mass ka-hydrogen peroxide. Baqinisile. Kufanele ngisebenzise igraph vele. Ngoba ngaphandle kwegraph ngeke ngize ngiyithole leya mass ka-hydrogen peroxide. Kodwa le graph izongisiza ukuthi ngithole i-information ka-oxygen. Mese nginayo i-information ka-oxygen, ngiyisebenzise ukuthola i-information ka-hydrogen peroxide. Yingakho lapha ezansi bethi use 24 cubic decimeter of cubic decimeter per mole as a molar gas volume. Okay. So ukhumbuleke kwi-graph yethu laphaya. Okay. Bathi asisebenzisa ugraph A. Ku-graph A siproduce i-volume engakanani ka-oxygen? 60. I-volume u-60, not cubic centimeter, 60 dm³, i-volume leyo. U-Vm wethu bathi asimsebenzise u-24 dm³ per mole. Then futhi sizodinga ini ka-oxygen? Ama-number of moles. Mase siwatholile ama-number of moles, we go back to our equation. Mase siwatholile ama-number of moles, we go back to our equation. We use a stoichiometry to find the number of moles of what? Of hydrogen peroxide. Then we calculate the mass of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, siqale sithole ama-number of moles ka-hydrogen. Ithini le nto le? Ithi number of moles of oxygen is equal to volume over Vm. The volume yethu 60, molar gas volume 24. Then sothola bani lapho? Sothola 2,5 mole ka-oxygen. Then bese sibuyela kwi-equation yethu. Kwi-equation yethu we have 2,5 mole for oxygen. Then we use a stoichiometry sifuna imass yalo thina. H2O2 is to O2. Then we have 2. We have 2,5 mole. Eh? Why I'm so fast, guys? Yeah, speed. Here we have 2. Here we have 1. Now, because of the 2 is to 1. 2,5 x. And then we solve x, which is the number of moles of hydrogen peroxide. Nalokusula lesaythi ngizobhala khona. So number of moles u-x uzolingana no siya cross multiply la. X uzolingana no 2 times 2,5 okuzoba ama-number of moles kabantu guys. So 5 mole for H2O2. Khumbula bathi asithole imass ka-H2O2. Asiqale sithole imolar mass yakhe. H2O2 hydrogen 1 times 2 plus. La singasebenzisi ikhanda ukubhala imolar mass. Use the periodic table. Oxygen u-16. Use the periodic table. Noma ngabe u-16 uyazi ukuthi u-16. Confirm. Zenze nje. Umuntu okhohlwa kakhulu. Cause kubuhlungu kabi ukuthi ushe imolar mass grams per mole. Ivele imoshe zonke izinto zakho. And there is no positive marker. Cabanga-ke. So lose those 6 marks ngenxa yokuthi uthole imolar mass wrong. Now we have the molar number of moles, we have the molar mass, number of moles, mass over molar mass, number of moles 5, molar mass 34, mass is yona. Then 35 times, excuse 34 times 5, so over 170 grams of hydrogen peroxide that was produced. Excuse, that was used. Khumbula phela hydrogen peroxide udecomposile, simsebenzisile, beyi-reacted, basiproducela igas or oxygen. So ziningi-ke izinto athi ngisebenzisa nale graph le to show you guys amanye ama-questions abanganibuza wona. Okay, la bangabeka imass njengoba bethe volume, bangabeka imass la, basuse le volume le, bebeka imass laphaya yakhe futhi oxygen, kodwa bese bethi calculate imass ka-hydrogen peroxide. Shuthi uzothatha leya mass leya, uthathe imolar mass ka-hydrogen, ucalculate ama-number of moles, then usebenzise stoichiometry uyothola njalo njalo. So i-volume, i-mass, maybe nama-number of moles futhi bangawaveza la, but kancane, kodwa nakhona bangakwenza. Ya, yilezo zinto abangazenza. Unless kukhona enye futhi igraph ehamba kanje. Leyo graph isizositshela ukuthi initial besinama-number of moles amangaki we-reactant. Maybe igraph mayifika la, athi nje ngiyisuke la, khona nizoyibona lento engiyishoyo. Ngenza nje umzekelo, izosuka la ku-50, izizofika la igraph yethu. Yabona ukuthi iqala ukuqonda la, ake sithi nje iqondile straight la, kunakhonzana ku-20. So imass le sitsheniwe ukuthi imass, yeka lokhu, sitsheniwe ukuthi imass. So mase kuthiwa thola ukuthi siproduce imass imass engakanani ka-oxygen. Ngabe lo shuthi le graph eka-H2O2. Why ngithi ka-H2O2? Ngoba iya decrease. Shuthi eyama-reactant. Futhi sikhombisa ukuthi initial besinemass engakanani ka-H2O2. Kushuthi initial besino-50, yaze yazoma lapha ku-20. Kusebenze engakanani? Kuzoba u-50 minus 20. Kube ubani? Kube u-30 grams. Kushuthi kusebenze imass ewu-30 grams ukuproduce ama-product. Suzosebenzisa le mass ne-molar mass, uthola ama-number of moles ka-hydrogen peroxide using stoichiometry. Ungathola ama-number of moles kagesi esiwaproducile. Yilezo zinto lezo. They can even ask you to calculate the rate of reaction using number of moles for oxygen. Uzosebenzisa nale method. Calculate i-mass ka-hydrogen peroxide osebenzile. Ucalculate ama-number of mole hydrogen peroxide using stoichiometry, uthola ama-number of moles hydrogen. Bese mawusunama-number of moles ungacalculate i-rate. Okunye futhi using le graph le yona le bebengasho ukuthi calculator i-rate in moles per second. Bese sothi mase siwatholile ama-number of moles ka-hydrogen peroxide bese sebenzisa isikhathi. Nasi isikhathi ebesizosisebenzisa ukuthi i-reaction for graph A sebenzisa 60 seconds. Now ama-number of moles esiwatholile for hydrogen peroxide sithola ukuthi u-5 mole. Kusebenze u-5 mole. Bese sothi mase siwutholile u-5 mole bethi asitholeni i-rate bese sodivide ngo-60. And i-rate yethu bekuzoba u-5 divided by 60 bese kuzoba u-0,08 0,0833 mole per second. Bebengasho ukuthi asitholeni i-rate ngale graph le. Hhayi kodwa ka-oxygen i-rate. Eka-hydrogen peroxide. Should bese sofanele sithole ama-number of moles hydrogen peroxide. Okay, ngiyazama uku-create more questions guys around these graphs because hey, asazi ukuthi bazosetha ini abasethi. Now, how does the mass of hydrogen peroxide used to obtain graph B compare to that used to obtain graph A? Choose from greater than, equal to, or smaller than. So sesiyachuza ukuthi ngabe imass esiyisebenzisile ukuthola ugraph A ingakanani compared to esiyisebenzisile ukuthola ugraph B. Ngabe i-greater than, smaller than, equal to. Buka ugraph A unyuka kakhulu. Buka lo unyuka kancane azaziyoma laphaya. Ngabe le imass yalo ibinkulu? Ngabe yalo imass ibincane? Cha, imass ibilingana. Imass eproduce noma imass yalamagraph omabili noma eproduce u-oxygen ibilingana imass. Okuyimass kabani? Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, ibilingana imass. Sekungaba ukuthi ngapha basebenzisa upowder, ngapha basebenzisa ama-granules. Khumbule masisebenzisa upowder i-rate iyashesha, i-reaction isheshe iphele. Kanti lapha yakuthatha isikhathi eside i-reaction ukuphela. So i-mass isuke ilingana. Sekungaba ukuthi khona i-factor e-affect i-rate of reaction abayishintshile. Ngaba ukuthi basebenzise upowder ngapha, ngaba ukuthi basebenzise ini? Ama-granules ngapha. Or let me check. I-liquid le. Kungenzeka ukuthi basebenzise i-concentration. A higher concentration for A than for B. So sibuka izinto ey'kanjalo. Kodwa i-mass yona iyefana kanzakwethu. I-mass iyafana. Yeah, i-mass baqinisile. Ngithi basebenzisa i-mass. So it might be i-powder ngapha basebenzisa ini? Ama-granules. Now, but i-mass iyalingana equal to three energy distribution curves for oxygen gas produced under different conditions are shown in the graph alongside. The curve with a solid line represent 1 mole. The curve with a solid line represent 1 mole at 90 degrees. So lower represent 1 mole at 90 degrees. Now they say choose the curve for P or Q that represent each of the following. 1 mole, 1 mole of a gas at 120 degrees, 1 mole of a gas at 90 degrees. Ngesiqale lapho nje. Laba bobabili. Ngoba banama-number of moles alinganayo. It means banama-particles alinganayo. So ukuya phezulu kwamagrafu wabo kuzothi ukulingana. Kodwa ubani lo one-temperature enkulu? Ukhumbule lo nguye lo one-solid line lo wokuqala esinikezwe yena o-1 mole at 90 degrees. U-1 mole of oxygen gas produced at 120 nam. Khumbula at higher temperature sithi ukuya phambili kancane sivula ispace esikhulu so that la athi ngisebenzise umbala so that la ama-particles aba maningi ama-particles la esiba khona ne-activation energy la siba ne-activation energy ama-particles aphayana aba maningi. This one is for high temperature. This one is for low temperature. Now, seku-obvious-ke, 2 moles of oxygen gas produced at 90 degrees. Iloyo phezulu. Lona nje ukhule ngaphezu kwalo. Ukhule ngaphezu kwanakhona kwa-graph lo o-blue. Ngoba yena una-2 moles, but temperature iyafana. U-90 u-90. Ingakho iphelela laphaya. Ngabo o-90 bobabili baphelela la. O-90 bobabili. But yini abe ngaphezulu kwakhona? It is because ngapha sinama-number of moles amaningi. Futhi ama-particles maningi for le graph le phezulu than le e-blue ngaphansi. Yileyo ndaba leyo.